Hey guys, Harsh here again, and in this video we're gonna look at how to create your first autoresponder and how you can send the sequence of emails when you are promoting Groove or any other product. So let's get started. So last time in the last video, what I told you is how to get connected with the Getresponse. Okay, now there was one thing I missed out on, so let's rectify that, and then we can move ahead with creating our autoresponder. So first thing is that we created this. Okay, so let's look into what was the issue. So when we created this, okay, this form, you see that we are connected to this. This is our a list, and this is our all these things are good. But one of the things that you can check out in the previous video as well, that the name of the person was not coming inside Getresponse. So I looked into the issue. Previously I thought that this may be some sort of bug, but I looked into this issue and I found out to one person who commented on this issue that you need to put the name like this input name is as same as the what is Getresponse receiving, like you cannot put the F name here. So right now what we're gonna do, so we need to take this as a name only, because why we are doing this, because Getresponse is accepting only name, and in this place of first name, or maybe you can say full name as well. Okay, let's try to update this and save, and let's try to publish this. Okay, let's copy this, and again let's go. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's try if we getting this name like try1@gmail.com or not, if we are getting this or not. So let's submit this, and this is working fine here. And let's now go into the lists, and this is my demo list. And now you see hquality try1@gmail, and we are getting the name as well. So this was the thing I wanted to show, that previously we were not getting the name, and now this is the thing. Just keep this thing in mind in addition to the previous video. So now let's go and create one autoresponder. Let's say you are promoting Groove. Okay, so right now we don't have any autoresponder for this. This is my new account of Getresponse, so let's create one autoresponder. Okay, now you see that what are the lists you want to, suppose I want this list only, demo list, and let's say this is, let's delete this. Now it is asking when do you want this message to go out in. Now this is saying that this is 0. 0 means immediately when the person is signing up, you are sending this message. Okay, so this is saying 0. If we put this 1, it will say that it will send the message 1 day after the person signed up. So let's keep this 0. Okay, we want this message to be sent on all days, from which email address you want to send. So let's, guys, this is very important, because this needs to be a professional email, otherwise the message your email can go into the spam or some other folders, because you need to have a professional email. Just keep this thing in mind. So now it is asking with the subject line. Okay, so for this now for the subject and the content of the email, what we're gonna do, we go into this groovejv.com and you come here and you go into the swipes. Now these are the emails provided to us by the Groove. So let's say what I want to use this subject line for this. Okay, let's copy this and paste this, and now we have this content as well. Let's try and copy this content, and now we can design this message. So let's design this. Okay, now there are plenty of templates Getresponse is providing you, but the thing is, these templates may look cool, but it also shows that it is kind of promotional message, and it's so we need to keep our message clean and simple. And for what I recommend is to go into this blank templates, and you can choose the blank template, this one. Okay, so now you can add your logo here. You can say whatever you want to say here. Okay, so let's try to add our logo first, maybe from here. So let's click on add image and let's upload the files. So let's pick our logo like this one. Okay, now our logo is added, and you can also choose not to show the logo. Okay, but I want my logo to be shown. So now this you can change the size and weight, whatever you like I think this one is good enough for me. Okay, so now let's go into, now I want our text here, and I have already copied this text, and what we need is just try and copy this. Okay, so we copied this text, and I think we have like one this affiliate link of ours is there. So let's look where it is. Yeah, so let's try to make this link. So this is the URL. Okay, let's insert this. This is I think pretty much it. Okay, now we go into the next, and it is also showing me spam check. You are good to go. Okay, now you can track here if it is you can if it is opened or not by the users, or you can also link clicks with the Google Analytics. So I keep these things on, and let's try save and publish. Now you see that Autoresponder is published, and okay, we have not named it, so let's try and name this Autoresponder as Groove promo. Okay, let's update this, and this is our first message is created. Now let's create one more message. We want to send a sequence of emails to the users who are signing up again. So let me go again, and we go into this. Now this was the first email, now we want the second email to go. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 5 5 emails are about Groove introduction about the Groove, and then we have the upgrade emails. So you can set it up all these emails. So let's try and do one another. You can basically duplicate this. Okay, and all these things are same. Let's try and edit the message. Again we need to copy this. Okay, so let's again delete this, and let's copy this, paste this, and now we have a second email is created. Now what we need is we need to change this first name annotation, because this is different in Getresponse. Let's delete this. So I forgot to tell you in the previous email. Okay, let's go here and let's select first name. Okay, now this one is good, but we need to create these links again. Okay, and there is another option as well. When you can look into this view as HTML, you can do that as well, but it will be, all these things will be copied, but I don't like the style of that particular section, and of course you cannot modify. It will be hard to modify inside this copy, but inside this, if you want anything, you can add like. Okay, so this is the thing with this one, so I recommend this one. So you see we have like 1 2 and 3, so you can paste these links. So let's see where it is, and first is check it out for yourself. Okay, there is one link. Let's make this link, and we go into this promo tools. We have this links, and we have this affiliate links. Let's copy this, and we are good to go. And we have another here as well. Let's make this link as well, and let's insert this, and I think we had one more. Okay, again go back to the swipe file, and second, it is everything you need to sell online. Where is it? Okay, this is the link. So let's insert this, and we are good to go. Okay, let's change the subject for this. I think the subject for this is, let's choose this one. Now you see we have, okay, we did not copy. Let's copy this, and okay, and save and publish. Now you see that we have created the 2 emails. now let's come back to the thing what I was saying. That's if we click on this grid link, like this dot thing, okay, so see that we have like this grid structure, and you can set the autoresponder in this cycle. Okay, so this is a great way to see. So sometimes what happens, like suppose you have the same name and it kind of you know it's not organized to look at. So if I look into this, so one thing we missed out is that I think, let's look into this. Okay, so this is our second email. Okay, and we need to send this to on day 1 after the subscriber is signing up. So this is 1. Okay, and one thing we missed out on this first email is when we go into edit section, we missed okay, there is no first name here, otherwise we will have this. Okay, great. So now you see that we have created these two, and if we click on this, you see for day 0 we have this email, and for day 2 we have this email. Now similarly we can go ahead with all these emails, like we can, I'm not going to show for each and everything because the process is same. Okay, and by this way you can it's very easy to look at what for what day which email is selected or not. Okay, so now let's try to see if this is working or not, and let's go into this one again and let's test this website is copied. I think we have already published this. And let's okay, let me add my this is my email. Let's try and change this. Let's say okay, and our autoresponder is good to go, and yeah, let's try and submit this and got the link. Okay, now let's try in our Yahoo email if we got the email or not, and you see first email is off. Okay, now this is the way you you can send this. This is the first email, and we will it has our like affiliate link for Groove as well. So when we click on get started, and you see my name here. Okay, so this is a very powerful way so that you can whenever you are creating your email list, so just create these autoresponders. Now on the next this is the first email, and then we have the second email that will become like tomorrow, and if we had that like all these emails, it will send on the alternative day. You can set it out all of this. Okay, so this was this video was about this autoresponder. I hope you get the value from this one. Now, in order to get more value, join my Facebook group and like my page as well, and so that you can be connected with me and I can share more tips and tricks, to get going into Groove. So this is kind of it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.